Oh, I'm not cooking. I've been away for a while. I don't know where I've been. Just been busy. Anyway, I thought this was worthy of a comeback here. I'm hopefully we get more. I'm running out of things to cook, you know. Anyways, remember when I did Mr. Beast burgers? And they were like, so-so. Well, Mr. Beast, he's got the chocolates now. Mr. Beast Feastables. So I thought, I love chocolate. Chocolate's one of my things that makes everything better. Cheese makes everything better. Chocolate makes everything better. Butter makes everything better. Probably something else makes everything better too. I'm forgetting about it. Anyways, let's see what we got here. It's like an unboxing video like the kids do. Look at that inside. It's another box. Ooh, a sticker. I love stickers. Stickers are fun. I'll put that on my lighting case. How do you get it open? How do you go? Oh, it's got one of those drippy things. Way to go. I'm so weak. I'm like Carl. Okay, it's open. Okay, throw this away, throw that away. So I got the variety pack here. Let's see what kind of variety we have. We have almond chocolate, quinoa chocolate, original chocolate, and there's a whole bunch of other ones that are all the same things. So we'll just try these three. And who knows, maybe one of these will be like the golden ticket and I'll get to go to Wonkaland and Mr. Beast will give me like 20 bucks or something because he does that kind of stuff. Anyway, I'll leave this one last. Up first, almond chocolate. Let's see what this tastes like. Remember the whole thing with Mr. Beast things, they're anti-boomer things because they're like, made with less ingredients and junk like that. Let's give this one a try. Almond. That's good. That's very good. It's very much like it's like a dark chocolate. It's real good quality. That's some good chocolate right there. You gotta finish one up. Okay. Up next, quinoa crunch chocolate. Quinoa, that's like the healthy stuff. So I guess this is like a healthy chocolate bar here. Let's see what this healthy chocolate bar tastes like. It's good. The quinoa is kind of like that rice stuff that'd be in a crackle bar. That's very good. Up next, the original chocolate bar. Just 4 ingredients. I haven't even been looking for my mystery tickets. No one's haven't opened it up. Golden ticket. No. Let me check this one. Golden ticket. Oh man, I'm talking on the ground. Golden ticket. No. I guess you can go online and you can put in some kind of thing because like every package has got a thing on it. You scan them and you go online and then Mr. Beast will give you like 20 bucks because he loves giving away money. I want him to give money to me though. Anyway, this is the original. This is like regular old chocolate. That's good. That's a very good dark chocolate bar. That's great. These are excellent chocolate. Mr. Beast, way to go. Your Mr. Beast burgers, a little disappointing. Mr. Beast chocolates, highly recommend them. If you like dark chocolate, you'll like these. Until next time, see you later.